24pcs Sanrio Mechanical Pencil Set Kuromi Cinnamoroll My Melody Students Atoma. 24pcs Sanrio Mechanical Pencil Set. A must-have for Sanrio fans. Sanrio is a Japanese company that creates cute and cuddly characters. Their products are popular with people of all ages. And they're especially loved by kids. This 24-piece mechanical pencil set is a great way to show your love for Sanrio. The set includes 24 different pencils, each featuring a different Sanrio character. There's Kuromi, Cinnamoroll, My Melody, and many more. The pencils are all high quality and durable, and they write smoothly. They're also great for drawing and sketching. The set comes in a cute and compact carrying case, so you can easily take your pencils with you wherever you go. It's perfect for school, the office, or just for fun. If you're a fan of Sanrio, this mechanical pencil set is a must-have. It's a great way to show your love for the brand. And it's also a practical and useful set of pencils. Benefits of the 24pcs Sanrio Mechanical Pencil Set. High quality and durable pencils. Write smoothly. Perfect for drawing and sketching. Comes in a cute and compact carrying case. A must-have for Sanrio fans.